Alright guys, part 2. Like I said, back by the water. Nice and calm today. Weather kind of cooled off, so it's cold. Sunset. Boom, boom, boom. Pass, the trees, all that good stuff. Alright, I'm back near the water like you wanted.
Trip.
Trip over what?
No, leave us.
Oh, now you don't want to talk? You wanted me back by the water, Matthew.
Agree.
Evelyn the nurse here?
Freeze.
So is this the store?
Gash.
What was this right here?
The battery.
Yes, this has a battery.
Mile.
What am I looking at?
Patricia.
Hi, Patricia.
Crying.
I don't hear crying, I only hear birds.
Perdition. Oracle.
Now I hear ducks.
Sin.
Is that you that just booked ass through the woods? Dude, something just jetted over there.
Mabel.
The owl's out hooing too. Who's Mabel? I really don't want to do this sketched out shit right now, but I'm gonna go look. Who's Mabel? Who made all that noise back in here? Most likely it was a deer. I'll tell you one thing, the owl's hooting away. It's pretty actually peaceful and relaxing. Who's out here with me? You don't want to talk now because I'm not near the water? Hello? They won't say nothing because I'm not near the water. Bye, ducks. Want me back over here? It's silence, dude. Apparently whatever it is wants me over here.
Guilty.
Who's guilty? You're guilty because you want me over here?
Suspect.
But what if I don't want to be over here? What if I want to chase what that
Push.
noise was? Geesey, geese, geese.
Keep this secret.
Keep what a secret? What happened in the fire?
Andy.
What happened in the fire? Not very talkative. Like, get near the water, they talk. Go this way towards the weird ass noises. Let's do it.
Stupid.
Yeah, I am pretty stupid. Gonna see what that was. I'll walk to that pine tree right there and back as far as I'm freaking going. What was that noise? Was it you? Called me stupid? Can you show yourself?
Marie.
Hi, Marie. Dude, that was just a human voice. No fucking way. Was that you, Marie, that just talked?
Hope.
Dude, I hear something in there. What the fuck is that?
Shall I do something?
Yeah, you shall do something. Go ahead, make a noise. There's something. Brown? Dude, I have no idea what the hell's in there. Alright, I'm going back this way. Back up a little, see if I can zoom down this. Can you show yourself down there? Show yourself with this, I can see you. Dude, there's that fucking noise again.
They buried me here.
They did bury you here. What did you pass away from? You hear that?
Many family memories.
Family memories of what? Matthew, are you still here? This thing's dead and all I'm getting is
Watch
weird
what I do.
weird ass noises. I'm watching.
Ada.
Who's in the woods?
Nasty.
Nasty's in the woods? It sounded pretty nasty.
Damien.
Damien's in the woods. There you go with Damien. All the time. Damien, Schmamian.
The battery.
You already said the battery. What do you want to do with the battery?
Peacefulness.
You want peacefulness from the battery? Have the battery. Here you go.
Forgiveness.
I don't know, dude. It's getting crazy out here.
You are valued.
Oh, how sweet. I'm friggin' valued. Make a noise. Make a loud noise. How come you're only talkative when I'm near the water? Alright, apparently they're sleepy or something. They ain't too talkative. And whatever's in there got me skeeved. So I'm gonna back on out of here. Just gonna wrap it up, guys. I was gonna do 4 parts, but it's getting sketchy in here late at night because the sunset's going down, and I'm hearing weird stuff already, so I ain't hanging out here solo in the dark. This is one area I'm not gonna mess with. Alright, peace.